Assalamu alaikum dear students. I'm here with a new topic that is correlative conjunctions. It is very interesting topic. You people will enjoy the topic. Please watch the video till the end, and if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Now we will start. What are correlative conjunctions? This is a question. So dear students, we know that conjunctions are used to join words, sentences, clauses, and phrases, etc., etc. So we are going to discuss today correlative conjunctions. These correlative conjunctions are totally different from those conjunctions which are uh, normally they can be coordinating or subordinating conjunctions. These are something different. Okay. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions. Now, one thing is clear that correlative conjunctions are in pair. They work together to connect equal parts of sentence. Another thing is that there are equal parts of sentences are there when correlative conjunctions are used. Unlike regular conjunctions like and or but or other conjunctions which join single elements, correlative conjunctions join two equally important parts of a sentence. They ensure that the elements they connect are balanced and parallel. The balanced and parallel elements are connected by the correlative conjunctions, whereas we are unable to connect with the general conjunctions, the normally used conjunctions, to connect such type of sentence. So we are having now some common correlative conjunctions. We will see now both and end. These both can be used together. Okay. Next is either and or we can say either and or both are correct. Okay, this is another pair of correlative conjunction. Neither and nor, this is third pair of correlative conjunction. Not only but also, this is correlative conjunction. Whether and or, both are correlative conjunctions. Now one by one we will discuss. It doesn't mean that these are only five correlative conjunctions. We can have a lot. Okay, these are the just five common examples of these correlative conjunctions. One, both and. This pair is used to emphasize that two things are equally true. For example, both my sister and my brother are coming to the party. Both my sister and my brother are coming to the party. Now we know that both is conjunction and is conjunction. Both are used in a sentence. Their sentence has equal elements. Both my sister and my brother are coming to the party. My sister is coming to the party. My brother is coming to the party. Now, this correlative conjunction make the sentence concise and it gives a proper meaning to the sentence. In this sentence, both connects my sister and my brother, showing that they are equally involved in the action. Both are coming and this is their action. Second, either or either and or. This pair is used to present two alternatives where only one option will be chosen. For example, very interesting, this one is very interesting. You can either go to the beach or stay home. You can either go to the beach or stay at home. Stay home. Now, listen, what was the definition? This pair is used to present two alternatives which only one option can be chosen. Okay, will be chosen. You can either go to the beach or at home, stay at home. You can go to the beach or you can sit at home. These are the two options. One option you have to do. In this way, you will use you can either go to the beach or stay at home. Here, either or presents two choices, going to the beach or staying home, but not both. Neither and nor. Moving on to neither nor, this pair is used to connect two negative options, meaning that neither of the choices will be true. For example, neither the manager nor the employees knew about the meeting. This is what nobody knows about something or something that is not a positive, that is negative. In this way, we will use this sentence, this pair. For in this case, neither or nor indicates that both the manager and the employees were unaware of the meeting. 4. Not only but also. This pair is used to add emphasis by linking two ideas where the second idea builds upon the first. For example, she is not only a talented musician but also an excellent painter. Very interesting. She is not only talented musician but also an excellent painter. It modifies the person more. Okay, this is what this pair modifies the person more. This adds the qualities of the person, adds to the qualities of the person. This is another. Here, not only but also highlights the dual talents, emphasizing both her musical and artistic skills. Whether or whether and or lastly, this is last one. Okay, whether or is used to present two possibilities, indicating that the outcome will be true regardless of which option is chosen. For example, we need to decide whether we will travel by train or by car. In this case, whether or shows that a decision must be made between two travel options. One can be chosen. Okay, tips for using correlative conjunction. So the examples are done. Now there are some tips how will we use the correlative conjunction. Here are a few tips for using correlative conjunction effectively. uh, Ensure parallel structure. Both elements connected by correlative conjunctions should be in the same grammatical form. For example, use both singing and dancing rather than both singing and to dance. Maintain balance. Correlative conjunctions link ideas of equal importance. Make sure each part of the pair is balanced and equivalent. Next, avoid overuse. While correlative conjunctions are useful, overusing them can make sentences uh, cumbersome. Use them to enhance clarity and balance. So this was the lecture. I hope that this lecture was very interesting. You people have to watch the video and understand. You have to understand the video, the lecture about correlative conjunctions, and I hope that you will be able to understand the concept of correlative conjunction. So thank you so much. Have a good day.